Welcome on Grammar Tech. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss another important figure of speech, which is anaphora. Anaphora is a figure of speech in which words repeat at the beginning of successive clauses, phrases, or sentences. However, the term anaphora comes from the Greek phrase to carry up or back. Let's take some examples to make it understand concept of anaphora. Be bold, be brave, be excited. So many places, so little time. I wish I may, I wish I might. Stay safe. In these examples, we can find the repetition of same words at the start of sentences. If you people have any question, do share in the comment box. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.